up, guys? This is Father JFont. I am a hip-hop artist coming from Fresno, California, and I'm here today with VibeHub. I have been rapping and making music for the past 2 years, but I really got serious about it this last year. Some of my biggest influence range from different genres of music. I really love Kanye, of course Drake, but I also listen to, or also influenced by other genres of music like King Cruel, Kings of Leon, different bands, pretty much anything. I like a lot of different sounds. You can check out my music by searching @Father JFont on SoundCloud, Spotify, Apple Music, and you can watch my videos by searching Father JFont on YouTube. I don't have a favorite song out of all the music that I've made, but one song that really touches base to me is Out of Time, because when I was feeling like I was not able to do something in my life, and that song really helped me elevate through that moment. My goal as an artist is to only put out great content, stuff that resonates with a wide range of people and not one specific demographic. My goal is to, push creativity and be innovative as an artist to inspire other people to do the same. My thoughts on AR and VR are that it's going to be everywhere, and I'm glad to be a part of it. These technologies are exciting, they're innovative, and they're very essential for today's technology and technology in the future as well. I just want to thank VibeHub for allowing me to come through, capture a hologram. My name's Father JFont. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter @Father JFont.